The muscle car era started because a few engineers broke the rules. The Pontiac GTO wasn't supposed to exist. GM had a rule: no engines larger than 330 cubic inches in mid-size cars. Pontiac engineers ignored it. They dropped a 389 V8 into a Tempest. And just like that, muscle cars were born. Here's the genius part. They marketed it to young buyers. Ads about rebellion, street racing vibes. It wasn't luxury, it was attitude. And the name? GTO. Borrowed from Ferrari's Gran Turismo Omologato. I didn't know that until years later. Bold move calling your Detroit Bruiser after an Italian race legend. They expected 5,000 sales. They sold over 32,000 in 1964. That success forced everyone else to respond. Chevelle SS 442 Roadrunner. The GTO lit the fuse. Without it, no muscle car era. Is the GTO the true original muscle car, or does another car deserve the crown? Tell me below, and follow for more car legends.